Hi everyone, my name is Schwarskoft and welcome to my channel. I'm so excited to be here and record myself. Today we're gonna do some delicious, beautiful Christmas hairstyle tutorial. So I'm gonna comment it and you're gonna see all these details. The reason why I'm doing this because I wanna be closer and I wanna explain everything very detailedly, and I think it's very interesting and it's inspirational hairstyle for me at the first, and I think it's one of the most important things to be hairstylist, be in love with it, right? So I'm trying to explain everything to inspire you guys. So today, take your time and enjoy. The color, the model, the makeup, the dress, everything looks perfectly when it's go together, and then I'm naming it delicious. Also, I want to talk to you guys and I want to know your opinions. So please comment. It's kind of my little studio where I'm recording all this video right here. So let's go started! Okay, before we get started, I'm doing this separation because it's very important to feel how many hair, what's the quantity of hair you have. I'm using a little powder to give this texture, and then it's more easy to teasing back coming, right? Here I'm using only one rubber band and one bobby pin to make this ponytail. This curling iron is 32 centimeters. It's kinda 1.5 inches. If I start curling, I'm using a little hairspray to make it more stronger, you know. As you can see here, I'm curling different directions, right? Why I'm doing this? Because I want to have different lines, different messy curls, right? So that's why I'm doing this. And as you can see here, I'm doing this separation, zigzag separation, because we don't have to open this line, we have to close this line. You don't have to see this line, right? Your separation. And that's why when I twist the hair then, I'm gonna close these lines. You're gonna see them. So before I start to curl, I'm teasing a little bit, hairspraying, and here I'm curling because I want to give direction, okay? From the roots, it goes like this, not goes flat. So also here I'm curling one this side and another side to opposite side. Yeah, another zigzag separation. Yeah, as you can see, I'm taking out all these hairs, which is I'm not working with pin. So also is curling this way. Rotating ceramic curling iron is perfect for me because it's not damaging the hair and it's very easy to curl it. Before I start to make elements, I'm brushing, I'm combing very gently and very good. It should be possible to pull it, right? So in this way we have to brush all these ends because it goes from the ends. Hairspray a little bit because it should get a little stronger, and then I go lower and brush again because it's more important because I'm working. Interesting thing that we need to always brush the hair before we start working with. I'm going to another side to make this line looks interesting, right? And when I'm looking at this hairstyle, I don't have to see these roots, right? So also I'm putting some pins to make them go together, to hold them. So I need to pull, I need to be very gentle. I'm not putting clips, I'm putting pins. As you can see here, I used some crimper because the roots is very soft, and that's why sometimes I need to do it, right? So the bang, the French is one of the important places. So I'm curling it and I'm pulling it, and makes very light and soft. Yeah, it should be delicious. So So I'm trying to make it delicious, okay? So, and then I go to the back side and I'm starting to working with my curlers. I'm trying to open it as wide as I can because when it looks wide, it gives big volume and it looks softer, and the hair curls not getting one by one, it gets together, right? So I believe it looks good. When I'm opening very wide, it's not getting separate. As you can see here, I'm twisting another side. The last hair, which goes on the top, I'm trying to make most clean one and most separately, most volume one. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to thumbs up and leave your comments and to share it, please. I really want to make more videos like this because I want to talk to you guys. I want to be closer. I want to make some hair community. If you want to follow me on Instagram, please find me as Hairdo. I'm gonna leave some comments below so you can find me. Also on Facebook, you can find me. Faruk Shomuradov. If you want to get more information about me, you can go to my website shomuradov.com. I'm gonna leave also this comment below, okay? Thank you very much guys for following me and liking me.